There, just shut it off. Figured I'd take a little bit more while it's not running and making so much noise. Might still get some of the color there. Yeah, before it goes right out. As I was saying before, I didn't have a lot of, not a lot of capacity underneath here. I've had a problem with char building up in there. So I put that little T in there and a bit of a sump to get, at least it gives it some place to go. Not great, but that's what happens when you use the parts you got. Well, I think we pretty much lost the color. So maybe somebody can tell me how hot that color is. There you go. It's just about gone now. That'll do her. There's a disconnect there. And then there's another one over here. I can get the thing off of there without too much grief. That behind here, somewhere, there we go, is where it, a bit of a manifold I welded into the outer tank here. I don't know if you can see that very well or not. Yeah, plenty warm. There we go. I welded some stuff onto this outer shell that's on the outside of the hopper. Just kind of put this here. And then the exhaust pipe. Damn, that's warm. Yo, that's the exhaust pipe right there. Yep. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to her.